Like, subscribe, and get notified.
A head-on collision between a Splendor bike and an Activa scooter at Bansai Cacora resulted in head injuries to both riders. The riders were subsequently shifted to the community health center in Curchorem. The Curchorem police have conducted a panchanama of the accident, and further investigation is ongoing.
Celebrate the joy of gifting this festive season with Bhagyalakshmi Cashews and Dry Fruits, your trusted destination for premium dry fruits, cashews, chocolate, sweets, and exquisite handicrafts in the heart of Panjim. We have elegant dry fruit boxes and imported chocolate to lavish gift hampers and handcrafted treasures to make your celebrations truly special. Enjoy exclusive festive offers for family, friends, or corporate gifting. Visit us at Shop number to Marwa Hotel, AMG Road, near Don Bosco School, Panjim. Shop number 40 Section 2, New Municipal Market, Panjim. Bhagyalakshmi, where gifting meets tradition.